This week on Dak and Jew, we are doing another quick pickle, and this time it's pickled mustard seeds.
Yum! All right, so first things first, we soaked our mustard seeds. We got them in the bulk section dry and soaked them in hot water for a couple hours.
They really do look so weird, but they're beautiful on something like a salad or a grain bowl, and they add a really nice pop of color, some great texture, and that classic sort of sweet and tangy pickled flavor. Then we are adding a half a cup of white vinegar.
You could use white wine vinegar, you could use red wine vinegar, you could use apple cider vinegar. Honestly, you just need the acid. We're also gonna add half a cup of water.
Ooh. And then 2 tablespoons of just white sugar. This looks like a science experiment, honestly. 3/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt.
Great.
Also, this is a Julie tip and it's so smart. Add a little pinch of turmeric and it will give it a nice yellow color.
All right, just give it all a good stir and you're done. So make them sit for a couple of hours. You could do it overnight, longer, a couple days. Fun.